and thank you for joining me today. I know you all have a busy schedule, so I really appreciate you taking the time. For those who don't know me, I am Arifia and I'm the Operation Manager here at Coles. Today, I'm going to outline a proposal for a new hybrid work policy, analyze its impact on productivity, and offer a recommendation for implementation. I've broken my talk into three main parts. The first one, as you guys can see, is the first challenges. The next one is proposed hybrid model. And finally, the last one is projected benefits. So please feel free to interrupt if you have any questions, or we can hold them until the Q&A session at the end. Let's start by looking at the current situation. As we all know, our 100% in office policy is causing a 15% increase in employee turnover compared to last year. Furthermore, a recent company survey indicated that 70% of staff feel that remote work options are essential for work-life balance. This leads me to my next point, the proposed hybrid model. We proposed 3 per 2 split, so 3 days in the office, 2 days remote. This maintains essential face-to-face collaboration while offering flexibility. As you can see from this graph, companies in our sector that adopted this model saw a 10% increase in employee satisfaction and, more importantly, a 5% increase in overall productivity. Moving on to implementation, we suggest a trial period starting next quarter. We have already outlined the required security. We require security protocols for remote work to ensure data security remains high. Well, that brings me to the end of my presentation. Just to summarize the main points, our current policy is driving turnover, employees need more flexibility and work-life balance. Hybrid model, 3 office to remote is a suitable solution, and data shows higher satisfaction and productivity. So,